Guys, it's a party. It's a party at Roadrunner this morning. I mean, got the donuts, I hear a rumor there's coffee. We're at Roadrunner Oil and Lube. We're bringing the 18 Odyssey up to the bay door. Gonna be the first one in. Guys, this is the place to bring your car in Plant City. You got the premier automotive triumvirate right here with Roadrunner Oil and Lube, Remco transmissions, and Plant City Automotive. One-stop shop right here, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and we're gonna have some fun here, have some coffee and change some oil. Hey guys, good morning. This is Charles Reed, Amsoil dealer, 305-44132. And this morning we are at Roadrunner Oil and Lube in Plant City, Florida. And Charles, this van, didn't we change the oil in this about 6 months ago?
Yeah, we changed it about 6 months ago, and I've got the Signature Series Amsoil in there, but I've done about 11,000 miles on it now. And previously I had just a regular synthetic oil that I was putting in, and so I decided, just because I want to make sure that I've gotten all the old oil out, I'm going to go ahead and change it a little early. I could go to 15,000 miles or 1 year, but I'm going to go ahead and just, for caution's sake, go ahead and put a little bit of, some good stuff in it and get that old stuff out. So
yeah, well, it's a good-looking van. I know you want to take care of it, and so what do you got there in your hand?
Okay, so I've got this is the PI Performance Improver, and this helps with cleaning. It gives you more power and helps you with your MPG. And then this is every 4,000 miles, and then I've got this right here. This is the additive that we can put in, and basically this helps you with like the upper cylinders. It lubricates them, cleans it out, gets rid of those varnishes and things, and gives you better compression. So you can use this with every fuel up.
Awesome.
And this is every 4,000 miles.
Very good.
I like to do it whenever we're getting the oil change, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put these in right now ahead of time, so that way when we go in there we don't have to do all that. Just a good preventive maintenance, and it just helps out with the performance of the engine and everything. So we're gonna do that right now.
Absolutely.
You can see the way Amsoil's designed these bottles. They're very easy to put into the vehicle. Basically, you just twist off the cap.
He's got the capless fuel system there.
Peel off the little seal. Just stick it right in the fuel port and just let it go. Just takes a second. Give a couple of squeezes, and it's empty like that, real fast. We're going to take off the lid on the next one here, and this is the PI Performance Improver. Again, you want to do this every 4,000 miles. Again, just stick it in there like that, and just let it go. Fits right inside the fuel port. You don't have to fight to get it in. You don't need a funnel, and works really great. Just takes a second, and we're good to go.
And we got it coming in. I'm not seeing it. What's this? Oh, now there's the ticket right there. That's speaking my language. Hey, Duncan, free advertisement. Thank you very much. But hey, all right. Having a good time here. Always good service. So Zach's got our 17 millimeter. And we are under the van.
Always want a double wrench. See how easy that was? Crack that bolt.
Now say that again. Did you say double wrench?
Always want a double wrench.
Oh, okay. So that gives you more leverage?
Leverage. All the leverage you need. You don't need a drill. You don't need none of that. You're supposed to catch this with this. It's going to be messy, but we'll do it.
All right, so we got an empty bottle here. We're just catching an oil sample.
Just to make less of a mess.
Yeah.
I don't want to clean it up later, you know.
Absolutely.
Put that on the rail like that, because it's at a weird angle. Just to see the flow of it, you know.
Absolutely.
Hit that.
There it is.
I don't know how much y'all want me to catch.
I think 4 ounces is plenty for an oil analysis.
Well, when it starts coming out, that's a good.
We got a full quart there.
Full quart right there, baby. Huh? It's all good, bud.
You did good.
All All right, now we're gonna take our little pan, grab our little, wait, you guys got that filter up there, right?
All right. Now. Yeah.
Help our Hondas out. See where that filter is in there? It's way deep in there. Sorry. No, you're fine. Real hard to get to from the bottom.
So we got that Amsoil filter we put on about 11,000 miles ago.
11,000?
Yeah, we're doing it a little early. Mr. Charles had just switched over 11,000 miles ago, so this is the follow-up change. Yeah, guys, so Roadrunner Oil and Lube here in Plant City. Going to be the place to get Amsoil installed. And guys, the reviews speak for themselves. Check these guys out on Google and just, they got
review. So I got it cracked now.
Okay.
So yeah, I can get down if you want to get in there.
Okay. There it is.
It's coming out. That's why we put the plate down. That's why we got the little oil catch. Boom, boom, boom.
Perfect. That's the expert touch.
It's not too bad. That looks pretty clean for 11,000. Still got a little red in it. It's good.
All right. There's that new filter. Guys, the thing that makes the Amsoil filters different is the media. So it's a full synthetic media, and the media is 99% efficient at 20 microns. So pretty good stuff there.
And if you got a Honda, that's your numbers.
Yes, sir. EA 15K13. All right.
So we're gonna put that boy back on.
Sneak in there.
Yep. Put it back on there.
Yes, sir. Got that nice grip coating so you can get it hand tight.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Go.
We love that. Need some cleaner rags.
Open it up.
We wanted to get that money shot of that oil.
Ah.
Have 11,000. There it is. Doesn't look too bad. You see how red it still is. It's still got a bunch of life left to it.
Cool.
So now we just gotta clean up the axle right there and put the oil in. And
You want some Amsoil parts cleaner?
Sure. Please, buddy. Thanks, sir. We use that.
Something like that. But we'll double check.
Take that. You don't need much.
Yeah.
Run right
Clean
off
it
there.
up. Nice.
Clean it up.
Like you were never there. Oil plugs going back in.
Yes, sir.
If you're doing your own oil changes, make sure you do that before you add.
Yes, sir.
Now, do you guys tag your drain plugs with like a mark? No? Okay.
It's a waste of product, honestly.
Gotcha.
We do a good enough job where we don't.
There you go.
But a lot of places they do. They'll put their initials and their names, but
Yeah, the Bible says in Proverbs.
right.
That's right. It says a good name is worth more than rubies.
And then I always double rinse you, make it as tight as possible, not too tight where you're cracking the pan.
Right.
You don't want to crack the pan.
Is this aluminum pan?
That is aluminum.
Okay. All right.
That is clear to add up top.
All right. We'll back out. All right. Now we got the Amsoil going in. Nothing like a good oil pour early in the morning. Yeah, it's good stuff, guys. 100% synthetic, chemically engineered. And Amsoil, you go on their site, you look at their research. It's just like these guys at the shop. You check them out on Google Maps. Good work, speaks for itself. Good reviews. A lot of satisfied customers.
Alrighty, this one's clear to start. Clear on me.
It's gonna start up, check for leaks. We're just gonna check for leaks down there.
That's all good.
All right. Looking good. All right. Thank you. Just checking it out. All right. Looks good. Right to the mark. Perfect.
Dropping this in.
Charles, you want your oil filter?
No, I don't need it.
Okay. Yeah, thanks so much.
Get oil in the other jug.
We got it up here. Yeah.
And did you guys want this extra 0.1?
Yeah, I'll take it. Yeah, it's a good top off. All right, everybody. Charles Reed in here, and we got our oil change today. So we're at 11,375 miles. We put in the Amsoil, 100% synthetic. This is the Signature Series. So right now, I'll be able to go 15,000 miles or 1 year on this oil change. So Honda Odyssey just got in. We're ready to go, and looking forward to another year of service.
All right, guys. Be sure to subscribe, like, and check out Charles's page, Quality in a Bottle.
Well, where do you come up with the term quality in a bottle? Well, what's really interesting about Amsoil is if you ever smell it, it's got a really, really nice smell to it.
Smells good.
If you want to
All
smell
right.
it, just have a sniff right there.
Yeah, you guys
can
smell
it too. Yep.
Can you smell that
Yeah.
at home?
Smell-o-vision, that's quality in a bottle right there. So get your Amsoil products today. You can go to qualityinabottle.com and get your Signature Series Amsoil.
And get in here to Roadrunner and get your oil changed in Plant City. Get your Amsoil. Come meet the guys. Super friendly, super helpful. Take pride in what they do. Come check these guys out and talk to Jesse next door. Look at this, one car after another. Talk to Jesse next door if you need transmission work. Speaking of transmissions, so guys, that was really fun. I was happy we got to do that this Monday. And guys, yeah, be sure to check out Remco Transmission and Precision Automotive, and of course Roadrunner Quick Lube. And they do good work. Check them out on Google, like I said, and results and reviews speak for themselves. And like it says in the book of Proverbs, it says, do you see a man who is skilled in what he does? This man will stand before kings. He will not stand before obscure men. So, principle is, when you do an awesome job, the results speak for themselves, and who knows, it might put you in the presence of some prominent official. You never know who you could end up working for one day. But above all, we want to do all our work as unto the Lord, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, Jesus Christ. The Bible says, do your work as unto the Lord. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Subscribe, share, and get your Amsoil done at Roadrunner Oil and Lube in Plant City, Florida. Thanks. If you got any questions, reach out to Charles at qualityinabottle.com, qualityinabottle@gmail.com. If you're in Plant City, you got Remco Transmission, got Plant City Automotive. Like I said, this is the premier automotive triumvirate in Plant City, Florida. Come on and get your Amsoil.